Have you ever used a highlighter and just stared at it? Wondered how it gets that crazy bright, almost electric color? Or maybe you've seen a safety vest that seems to just scream at you with its brightness, even on a sunny day. Well, it turns out there's some really cool science behind it all, and today we're going to pull back the curtain on these glowing colors.
So that's the big question, right? Why do they look like they're glowing? It almost feels like a magic trick. These colors don't just seem bright, it's like they're making their own light. So what is actually going on here? Is it just a clever trick of the eye, or is there some serious science at play? Let's dive in.
Okay, so here is the first major clue. Think about a normal red shirt. It looks red because when light hits it, the shirt soaks up every color except for red. It bounces the red light back to your eyes. Simple enough. But a fluorescent color, it does something extra. It's not just reflecting the light we can see, it's also grabbing light we can't see and adding it to the mix.
And this is the total game changer. This is why they look so impossibly bright. They are literally taking energy that our eyes can't even register and converting it into brilliant visible color. They're adding more light to the equation, which makes them pop in a way that normal colors just can't.
You know, this whole amazing process actually has a name. Fluorescence. That's the official scientific term for what's happening. A material absorbs high-energy invisible light, like ultraviolet light, and then almost instantly shoots it back out as lower-energy, very, very visible light. So the mystery glow finally has a name.
So, where's all this high-energy light coming from? Well, our biggest source is floating right above us, the sun. Sunlight is absolutely packed with invisible ultraviolet light, or UV light. Fluorescent things basically eat this invisible UV energy, do their magic, and spit it back out as those dazzling colors we see. That's the real secret to why they look so vivid, even in the middle of the day.
Let's break it down into 3 really simple steps. First, the material absorbs that invisible high-energy UV light. Then, inside the material, there's this super fast transformation of that energy. And finally, boom, that energy is immediately released, or emitted, as the bright visible light we see. Absorb, convert, emit. And it all happens in less than a blink of an eye.
You know, here's a perfect way to think about it. Fluorescent colors are basically light amplifiers. They take a signal that we can't see, that UV light, and they just crank up the volume until it becomes a bright, visible signal we can't possibly miss. They're making color louder.
So where does this science pop up in our lives? Because it is way more than just a neat party trick. Fluorescence is absolutely crucial for safety. I mean, think about road signs and construction vests designed to grab your attention. It's used in forensics to find evidence you can't see with the naked eye, in cutting-edge medical imaging, and even to protect our money from counterfeiters. It's pretty amazing how this one little scientific principle has so many important jobs.
Now this usually brings up a question I get a lot. What about those glow-in-the-dark stars you stick on your ceiling? They glow, don't they? So is that fluorescence too? The answer is not quite. They're definitely related, but they work on a slightly different timeline.
The big difference here is all about timing. See, fluorescence is instantaneous. It needs a light source, like the sun or a black light, shining on it right now to work. The second you turn off the light, the glow is gone. But its cousin, phosphorescence, that's the glow-in-the-dark stuff. It actually stores up energy from the light and then releases it slowly over time. That's its trick for glowing long after the lights go out. With all this talk about high-energy UV light and converting energy, it's totally natural to wonder, are these super bright colors actually safe for our eyes? I mean, is staring at a highlighted textbook page going to cause any problems? Let's clear that one up. So the short answer is yes, they're perfectly safe. The fluorescent colors themselves are not going to damage your vision. Of course, staring at any really bright thing for a long time can cause eye strain, just like staring at your phone screen for too long. The real key is just to manage your exposure to the light source, like being out in direct sun, not the glowing color it's creating.
All right, so let's just do a quick recap of everything we've figured out. We know now that fluorescent colors pull off this amazing trick. They soak up invisible UV light and then shoot it back out as extra visible light, which gives them that signature glow. We also know this is totally different from phosphorescence, which stores light to glow in the dark later. When you get right down to it, these colors are basically translators, turning an invisible part of our world into something beautiful we can see.
So the next time you see that bright highlighter on your desk or a traffic cone on the side of the road, you'll know. It's not magic. It's just this really elegant dance between physics and chemistry happening right there in front of you, showing us a secret world where invisible light becomes visible. How cool is that?